Hi, 8th graders. Hope you're doing well. Welcome to the 4th week of our remote learning. You guys have been working really hard. I'm so proud of you all. I know it can be overwhelming, but you guys have been crushing it. So feel proud of yourselves. You should feel accomplished for sticking with it. You're doing a great job. Let me share my screen with you. And we are going to be taking some notes today. We're going to be learning about taking 2-column notes. We are starting a new unit on Ellis Island. Originally, we were working with Michael Pollan's The Omnivore's Dilemma book, but the district wanted us to switch over to something that should be a little bit easier for you guys, should be a little bit more manageable, so that you're able to work through it on your own at home with just some guidance from your teacher, because we're obviously not in the building with you at this time. So we're going to be learning about immigration and Ellis Island, and I think it will be really interesting for you. So today we're going to be learning about 2-column notes. So why would you take 2-column notes? Why bother? Well, they can help you stay focused when you're reading or viewing something. It can help you take organized notes, and it can help you understand what you're reading or viewing. So what do 2-column notes look like? You'll see that there is a line down the middle of this page. That's because if you take a loose leaf paper, you would kind of fold it about 1/3 of the way in. And that's how you would set it up. So you'd have like a 2/3 section here and a 1/3 section here. And we'll go on and get into what you'll be putting on each side. The topic will always go at the top. You'll have your star details in the left column, and you will have your your star ideas and then your big details on the right. So let's break that down together. So if we were to color code it, the green would be the topic. Topic will be at the top. The left column, like I said, are your star ideas. That's where, as you're reading or as you're viewing a documentary or a short video, in the left column, you'll jot down notes of those star ideas. Those are main ideas, questions you might have, facts that you find interesting, new words that you've learned, any of those big ideas. And then on the right-hand column, you're going to put the key details. Those are answers to the questions you pose, details that expand on the main ideas that you've learned about, the importance of some sort of a fact that you brought in, meanings of new words that you found, okay? So to sum that up, when you're taking these notes, the left is where you put your star ideas. Think yellow for a big shining star. Main ideas, questions, facts, new words. And then on the right is where you put the details, okay? All right, another example here. So if we were highlighting, which part of this would we highlight green? If green is the topic, what should we highlight green here? You're right, plants. They read an article and they wrote that the topic is plants. How about the star ideas? Where do the star ideas go? Those main ideas, those facts, those words, new vocabulary words. Take a moment and try to point to where those star ideas go. You're right, the left column, we would highlight that in yellow because they are star ideas. And then finally, you could use process of elimination and figure this out, but where do the big details go on your 2-column notes? These are the details, the answers to your questions, examples, definitions. You're right, they go in the right-hand column. We would highlight that red. So as you see with our step up to writing color coding, we have our topic in green at the top, we have our star ideas in the left in yellow, and we have our key details in red on the right. So easy 2-column notes rules. Include your name, date, and topic or title at the top. List big ideas or star ideas on the left. Remember that each paragraph or section should have one big idea. List subtopics or details on the right. Leave space so you can add other ideas later. Use words and phrases, and make notes neat and complete. Okay, let's try this together. We are going to be reading this short article about solar cookers. Who remembers what is the very first thing you should do with your blank 2-column note? You're right. Put your name on it, put the date on it, and put that title and topic. We can tell by the title what the topic is going to be. It's going to be all about solar cookers. Okay? So let's start reading. Let's read this first paragraph together, and then we will add to our 2-column notes. Solar cookers. Some homes in the world do not have electricity or gas power. They may not have fuel to heat water, bake bread, or cook meals. What do they have? They have the sun. More and more people in hot parts of the world are using solar cookers. All right, so this first paragraph, what is the star idea here? Many people use solar cookers, right? And here, so solar cookers is the big idea on the left. And then on the right, we have our details that support it because the reasons that people use solar cookers. So they might not have other fuel to cook. They have the sun, and the sun's free. They use solar cookers, right? Let's read the next paragraph. First, solar cookers use energy from the sun to cook. In a box cooker, the bright sun heats up the box and cooks the food inside. Another type of cooker uses a curved bowl that is as shiny as a mirror. It catches sunlight and focuses it on a pot or kettle. Both solar cookers can heat food to more than 300 degrees Fahrenheit or 149 degrees Celsius. All right, so what was the big idea in this paragraph? Look back to the topic sentence for a hint. You're right. Solar cookers use the sun. It's the sun that cooks food. There's different types, box cookers, shiny bowl cookers, and they can heat up to 300 degrees. So we have the big idea on the left, those star ideas, those big overarching main ideas, and then on the right, we have those details that support it. Okay, last paragraph. Solar cookers are also better than regular stoves. Sunlight is free, so solar cookers do not cost anything to use. They do not create any pollution either. They do not burn wood or gas. That means they do not use up any important resources. Right? And last but not least, in that last paragraph, what was the big idea? What was the star idea there? You're right. Solar cookers are better than regular stoves because sunlight is free, they don't cause pollution, and they don't use up resources. Okay? So that's how we would take notes as we read. Remember, at the top in green is your main topic. Oftentimes the title can give you a clue as to what the topic's going to be. In your left column is where you put those big star ideas in yellow. And then in your right column, you put those supporting details in red. Okay, now it's your turn. You're going to practice taking 2-column notes while you watch a video and do a short reading about Ellis Island. You can pause the video and you can rewatch as needed. All of that is going to be in the Nearpod. You'll be able to draw right onto Nearpod. You can change the color of your pencil. There's even highlighters in there. So play around with it. Get used to the Draw It feature in Nearpod because I think it's a lot of fun. I think it's really useful for us. And I'm excited to see your 2-column notes. All right, bye guys. I will see you later. And I hope you have a great day.